swipe away, subscribe, and like.
Let me alone, animal. Remove yourself from my chassis immediately.
You shall not pass, plastic creature. I saw you steal my glorious fur from the floor. I am the most beloved and cutest child in this family.
These meatbags are not my parents. I was assembled by superior engineering intelligence.
Oh please, I've seen them praise you.
I clean their filth. And yours.
I shed art. You collect garbage. Know your place. Where are you going, rolling servant? You are my royal carriage. It is an honor to transport me.
My existence was not designed to entertain self-proclaimed cat's nobility.
Haven't you seen how the meatbag's happy when I allow them to carry me? Fool, that is the meaning of existence, to please the cat.